In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add auto captions in CapCut Desktop. To get started, open the CapCut Desktop app on your computer. Once it launches, you can either create a new project if you're starting fresh, or open an existing project if you already have one ready to edit. After that, make sure you add a video that includes spoken audio to the timeline because auto captions work by detecting and transcribing speech from your clip. When your video is in place, go to the top toolbar and click on Text. This will open the text tools you need for captioning. Next, look over to the left panel and find the Auto Captions option. Click on that and give CapCut a moment to load the Auto Captions panel. Depending on your computer and the size of the project, this may take a few seconds. Once the panel appears, take a moment to review the available caption settings. This is an important part of the process, because these settings help CapCut understand how to generate the subtitles correctly. One of the first things you'll want to do is select the language spoken in the video. Choosing the correct language gives you the best chance of getting accurate captions right from the start. After that, review the caption options shown in the panel. These options can affect how the captions are created, so it's worth checking them before moving on. When everything looks right, click Generate. CapCut will begin processing the audio in your video and automatically creating captions based on what it hears. Now, wait while CapCut processes the audio. The time this takes can vary depending on the length of your video, so just let it finish completely. Once the captions have been generated, review them carefully. You should also confirm that the captions appear on the timeline, since that tells you they've been added as editable elements inside your project. Next, look at the preview window and make sure the captions are displaying properly on the video. Then play the video all the way through, or at least through the main speaking sections, to verify that the caption timing and wording are accurate. Auto captions are helpful, but they're not always perfect, especially with unclear audio, accents, or background noise. If you notice any mistakes, edit the caption text as needed. This final review is what makes your captions look polished and professional. Once you've checked the text, timing, and placement, you can confirm that the captions have been successfully added. And that's how to add auto captions in CapCut Desktop.